visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, let's check kung anong nangyayari sa mga paligid-ligid. Ayan. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. And I want you to know na this is a timeless reading. Ayan. Bukod po sa timeless reading na ito, no? Gusto ko rin pong ipaalam sa inyo na believe in the divine timing because the message is meant to find you. Wow, the Six of Swords. So, ang nakikita natin, things are okay. Should be okay. 6-7, no? Ay, nakiki-Gen Z tayo. So-so. Kaya sinabi ko, okay, it's not bad, but it's not that good. Pwede natin sabing may mga times siguro din na pinapalagpas natin yung mga bagay-bagay. Kahit pwede natin i-call out, ayaw natin palakihin, no? Ayaw natin mag-start ng gulo, no? Hindi naman sa palaging mali si person, no? Kaya nga sinasabi natin, pwede naman niya palagpasin. So, with the 7 of Wands. So, 6 and 7, although swords yung isa, ito naman is Wands. But we are trying to be strategic, no? With this. Ayaw mo naman masyadong maging lenient dito sa relationship na ito. Ayaw mo rin masyadong maging mahigpit. So, kaya siguro nandun tayo sa part na, okay, medyo medyo binibigyan natin siya ng leeway, grace period, no? Ng chances, ayan. So, what's happening in the past? The Hangman. Nandito tayo sa situation na siguro sinasabi natin, no? Una pa lang, dapat ko bang seryosohin itong relasyon na ito? Dapat ko bang bigyan ng ganong klaseng atensyon? Dapat ko bang palakihin yung mga nakikita ko? Somehow meron tayong mga napapansing red and green flags. And then sabi natin, sige, normal naman yan, no? Wala naman taong perpekto. Siguro ako din naman, meron tayong, kasi ito yung simula natin Six of Swords. So, medyo, kahit wavy ang tubig, no? Ang ating journey. Parang we're trying to be as calm. Try to have a journey in a calmer water, no? Parang sinasabi natin dito, medyo tayo ngayon, kahit medyo wavy siya, anuhin ko lang, I'm trying to observe, no? But I am not going to give 100% on this. This is all happening, on the sa past ha. And then dumating with the 10 of Swords to the Page of Swords. Right off the bat, no? Clarifying with the 8 of Pentacles and a Queen of Swords. Dumating dun sa part na simula pa lang nagkaroon na kayo agad ng nakita mo agad yung differences. Nakita mo na I don't like this. Pero ipinaglaban ni person. Hinabol ka, sinuyo ka. I think that your person worked on the connection. Kasi na-trigger tayo eh. 'Di ba? Na-trigger tayo. There's something here about triggering you and giving you the relationship that you probably wanted. So, in the current, the Two of Wands, the King of Swords, the Knight of Swords, the Fool card, and the Four of Swords. So, after na nitong masuyo ka, um, parang nagkaroon ng mood swings or nagkaroon ng attitude swing, if there's if there's a word for attitude swing. Nagkaroon ng swing itong si person. Noong una, with the King of Swords, maayos eh, no? Sobrang panandalian lang itong maayos niyang pagpapakita sa'yo na nagbago ko, parang sandaling-sandali lang. And then, there's a quick change that your person here, siguro may mga pangako ito si person sa'yo na biglang hindi niya na ginawa, tinamad siyang gawin, ayaw niya na. One thing's for sure, napagod, no? So, bumalik na naman siya sa pagiging isip bata. I don't know kung sino napagod with the Four of Swords. Napagod ka ng kakarinig ng mga pangako. Napagod siya ng kakasuyo sa'yo. Baka kapwa napagod to, no? So, the Two of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, the Four of Coins, the Temperance, the Moon card. I feel like nung una pa lang meron ng mga writings on the walls. I think that we did tried our best to make things work, no? We did tried our best to save the relationship. We did tried our best to understand the person, understand ourselves while we are, no, in the journey, in the connection. Pero alam mong what you're doing here is an extra job. An extra job, the reason why is alam mong hindi na rin ganun ka-deep yung relation, yung feelings mo kay person, and you're forcing yourself to. Siguro nanghihinahin tayo sa time, energy, effort, no? Sa investments natin, no? Investment, pwedeng money. Investment because of yung time, no? Investment yun eh. Because mas investment pa nga yung time kaysa sa money. Money, you can get it back, no? Magtrabaho ka lang, make sure na you're doing hard work, you're doing your manifestations really well, makukuha mo yun uli. Pero yung time, how can you go back in time if the 3D world, no? Yung itong 3D na ito, our measurement is time, and time here is progressive, 'di ba? Well, sabi nila, time is linear. So, linear nga, no? Time is linear. So, you can't, 'di ba? So, this is actually an investment. Um, pero you're trying too hard to make things work, pero your heart and your mind actually feels like things are going to you're going to have a lot of questions, no? Pagdating ng time. Baka mas sobra pa yung time ng pag-iisip natin. Okay, okay itong ginagawa mo sa ngayon na meron kang observations. Wala tayong problema dun eh. Kaso, nandun na yung mga writings on the walls, no? Parang sinasabi dito ni universe, up until when are you going to say, okay, tama na. This is it. Wala, kahit wala kayong masyadong, you know, yung sobrang grabing pinag-awayan dito, you know that the incompatibility, no, are, is in the air. Hanggang kailan mo isi-save yung relationship for the sake of i-save mo yung investment mo? Baka mamaya invest ka ng invest, ng invest, ng invest, up until siguro dumating yung time. Paano yan kung kulubot na yung balat mo, no? Paano yan kung pwede natin sabing huli na ang lahat, 'di ba? While there's still time, I think that you need to the investment, I think that you should, probably keep it to yourself for now and invest it to other, person, because I am seeing that this relationship of yours is going to be a little, it's gonna give you some mental health issues, craziness, if I may say. The moon card is here. There's a lot of clouds in here and blurry situations that may going to happen in the future more, no? So why prolong the agony? So yeah, this is your reading. Let me know if you resonate with this reading, and bago natin i-check ang mga zodiac sign, kung meron po kayong mga personal questions, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Ayan. So, pwedeng lumabas din ang zodiac sign ninyo. I'm seeing Pisces, Sagittarius, Taurus, Scorpio, Virgo, Gemini, Aries. I'm seeing Libra, Aquarius, Leo. I'm seeing Scorpio. Yeah, Cancer is here. Virgo, Capricorn. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.